Clean POS Epos system for dry cleaners and launderers. Clean POS is so much more than just a till and ticket book replacement. Our Clean POS Epos systems are proven to help you increase profits and maintain security. Clean POS Epos systems will help you reduce workload, enhance customer loyalty and increase turnover whilst keeping your data safe and secure. Designed in the UK exclusively for dry cleaners and launderers, Clean POS dry cleaning systems are flexible in hardware and software requirements. Designed by dry cleaners for dry cleaners, we have added many more features as the standard package over and above any other system. Matched with a full delivery, remote installation and training for UK and Irish businesses, plus the option of free unlimited lifetime telephone support for all UK users, this is the ultimate dry cleaners Epos solution. Receivers, units, groups, CPEs and laundries all benefit from the Clean POS powerful and easy-to-use features. And all backed up by one of the fastest support services in the business. Increased profits. Multiple price lists, discounts and automatic offers calculations ensure everyone is happy and pricing is right all the time. Reliability. Every Clean POS system is built to last. We supply hardware, software and all the services to create an expert trouble-free installation. Using POS PCs with Windows 10 Pro and matched with the toughest touch screen, printer and cash drawer peripheral hardware available. Everything we supply is built specifically to withstand the harsh environment of a dry cleaning or laundry business. A remote installation, training and support service is included with the option of free and unlimited lifetime telephone support to follow. Our clients ask, why is your system so cheap compared to others? Remote installations, demos and support all keep your costs low. That's just how we work. Why double the price of our system just to be there on site for one day? Plus with POS Clean POS, you're backed by a money-back guarantee and 14 days return distance selling rights. No quibbles whatsoever. Busy shops can take advantage of multiple terminals linked together. Groups link stores together. Connect systems locally, on a private network or in the cloud. Your data, your choice. Integration. Take card payments through your system and stay secure, recommended by Payment Sense, Dojo. Low cost. Clean POS may be financed, UK customers, or purchased outright. If you are looking to purchase but would like a monthly lease, then contact us for the information and quotation. The next step. See Clean POS for yourself with a free online demonstration. We guide you through the system to help you choose the best setup that's right for you. Stock. Track garments from start to finish. Production and collection and delivery reports means every piece of work is secure, cleaned and delivered on time. Cash, account, retail, agent and hotel customers. Manage them all with Clean POS. Would you like a look at Clean POS? Send us a WhatsApp +44 7867597844 or call us on 02036952304 or email us cleanpos@poso.uk. Thanks for being here.